The interactive tool answering complex questions directly on your screen did not even exist just 6 minutes ago. It started as a static 30-page employee handbook that nobody read and became a functioning application using only a single typed paragraph. Until now, extracting insights meant asking a chatbot a question, taking a screenshot, and pasting the text into another document. What if the AI handed you the working tool instead of a text answer? This shift removes the friction of manual data extraction, allowing the focus to move from obtaining answers to creating functional tools. This happens in a new environment where the AI operates independently to construct assets on the fly. The result is an artifact, a small interactive application that Claude generates and runs directly inside its own chat window. You do not write any code, you do not manage external deployments, and you never copy a script. These artifacts hold complex data sets and function entirely in the browser, ready to be shared with a single web link. The objective for this case is simple. Stop asking for text-based answers and ask the AI to build a functional, shareable tool. Success in this case means turning an ignored document into a tool that an entire team will actually use. The process begins by uploading the original 30-page PDF directly into the chat interface. Next, you provide one paragraph explicitly detailing the tool you want. The critical rule is to describe the layout and desired function, but never attempt to write the underlying code yourself. The AI responds immediately, opening a side panel where the functional tool instantly renders itself. The newly rendered interface features a dedicated search box and 3 preloaded starter questions. The entire text of the uploaded PDF handbook is already loaded inside the application's memory. We test the artifact by typing a specific policy question into the search bar, asking how expense claims work. The artifact answers immediately within the side panel, pulling its information exclusively from the handbook data. Because the scope is restricted to the uploaded file, the responses are strictly grounded and quotable, leaving no room for AI guesswork or hallucination. This output is a fully running application created from a single paragraph of prose, proving immediate, tangible utility. Creating the application is only the first step. The next phase is distributing it to a network of users waiting for the tool. The handoff requires one click on the Publish button, located in the top right corner of the artifact panel. Clicking this button instantly generates a live public web address. A colleague receiving that link via a message can open the working tool in any standard web browser. They can query the handbook and get immediate answers without ever creating an AI account or interacting directly with Claude. This handoff bypasses the traditional steps of coding and hosting for the end user, making the tool available to anyone with the link. 10 years ago, building a custom, searchable interface from a PDF required hiring a developer and securing web hosting. 5 years ago, it required a weekend of effort and expensive monthly subscriptions to no-code platforms. Today, that entire timeline has completely collapsed. Throughout this 6-minute build process, the fully functional tool was running and ready to deploy without a single interruption. One paragraph turned a neglected PDF into a tool the whole team uses in 6 minutes. With time and effort compressed to this degree, the bottleneck shifts from technical ability to simple imagination. For the next case, we let the AI operate directly inside a web browser, executing complex multi-tab errands automatically. If there is a tool you wish existed, tell us. We will build it in a future episode.